Well, in this video, I'm going to do try to do a quick install. I've already got everything programmed like I normally do, and it's going to be quite easy, I hope, to get this one done, because I'm going to put the antenna, the CPE, somewhere around in here, and the router's going to go right in that corner underneath that window pretty much. And it looks like the weather's trying to get a little messy, and they're actually saying it's supposed to rain so much that they got flash flood warnings actually out. Thunderstorms and all starting about an hour and a half from now, and pretty much all day Friday. That's fine by me. Go to when I leave here, I'm gonna go to Food Line to get me some coffee creamer and some coffee, and I'm just going to sit in there and watch TV and enjoy my weekend. But let's see if we can get her some internet. Got the CPE mounted. If you could look, the AP is right on that tree right there. Right up there. That one right up there. So this is lined up with it. That's all it needs. Now we're going to run a wire from here down, and somewhere up in here, get the wire up through there. See if we can get that done. Okay, we got the little hole drilled inside, and it came out right here, which is perfect because I can go right under and come right up to here. Got a long cord, but I wish I had a shorter piece. I guess I'll have to make one. So I don't want to use all this in that one little area, because they won't be moving it. So I don't know. They're rearranging some stuff in there, and so they may need to move it because they're putting up some walls and stuff like that. So give them that little extra, I guess. Just put an end on this and make it work. So we're going to get some tape, tie it to it, pull it through. We'll be all right. Come on.
When she first got to my daughter's house, she's got kids, like I said, and she does herself a cake and get one.
All right.
Dance, but we put me on extra oxygen.
All right, we got all that set up. Wire ran up in here, just laid it up under there. Got the CPE there. She's got her TV connected now. Now I'm just going to activate her account. And it's starting to sprinkle already. Get out of here. Alright, now let's see. I don't need to adopt it yet because I got to activate her account. So it will get that going. Let's see. Let's see where she at. There she is. Turn here from a lead to the client, and go to her speed package, which she's supposed to be getting 10 megs down. So let's see, activate from today, invoices start tomorrow. Whoop. And let's see, that should be it. With all the camera gear I have in here, I was trying just to prop up the cell phone. No reason for that when I got something to actually hold it up with. So let's see, all right, let's see, Pearson. Okay, now let's go to network. Let's go back to her account and activate. Yeah, fully activate that. Okay, now let's go to network now and actually get that new CPE adopted to the client. Okay, there we go. Now we'll go see what the alignment is on there. See what the negative what will it be. I'll just wait for it to get back on the internet, because when you adopt, it loses internet and programs it for wherever you put the CPE or AP, whichever it may be. Just waiting for it to come back. Says no internet. Come on. Okay, now we're connected. Let's see if that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Let's see what kind of we have. Negative 51, negative 64. Let's see if we can turn up the CPE a little bit. Usually I don't turn it up that much, maybe like 5 or 6. And this one's on 7, so I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to turn on 11. And see if that will give me just a little bit lower on the signal there. It was close to 70. Now let's see if we can get it close to negative 60. Waiting for the internet to come back. There we go. See what we have now. That's more like it. Let's see what's going to end up being. At the tower, got a negative 62 from the CPE. I'm just waiting to see what the signal is to the CPE itself. Let's see. Reconnect. Okay, it's connected. Okay, now it's coming back. Okay, we got, let's see what kind of signal we have. Okay, that looks a lot better. Just turn up that little bit. We have a negative 51 coming to the CPE, and we have a negative 53 going back to the AP. I can deal with that. She's supposed to have 10 megabits per second download. Let's see what we have. 10, 11, 13. Well, she's getting her speed, and this is actually outside of her RV, because there's our RV right here, and the router's right on the other side of that window. It's supposed to be getting one up, and it's getting 1.1, 1.4, 1.10. She's getting that. It's 13.44 and 1.10. She's getting her speed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, all that good stuff that helps the channel. This one is another one done. Check this one off of the list. Now it's time to go get some coffee creamer. Probably get more coffee because I'm scraping the bottom of the container. I do believe that's going to be it for the day. I got a Roku box, or Roku I got to go get sometime this week and get it, or this weekend, get it installed.